says out. We have bombs. Beginning nicely at a start, and in second, guided missile by the rail comes Reclamador. Mika Sprite rushing up mighty might about 4 wide. Pristine Water comes next, Heart of Dominica, and Rossi in that order. And going along for the first turn, we have bombs by about 2.5 lengths. Mika Sprite now moving up to take second. Then in third alongside is Mighty Might. Reclamador is running by Drell Porta, then followed by Guided Missile, Pristine Water, Heart of Dominic, and Rosig still running in last. As they swing down the bank, bombs by about 3 lengths. Mika Sprite still in second, and in third, Reclamador. Moving up on the outside to take for now is Guided Missile, Mighty Might fading out. Rushing up, Pristine Water, Heart of Dominic, and Rosig. Bombs by only a length and a half. Coming closer now in second is Mika Sprite. And in third, Reclamador, Guided Missile also coming into the picture. Then comes Pristine Water, bombs, Mika Sprite. Then here comes Guided Missile now moving up on the outside. Mika Sprite, Guided Missile, Pristine Water is on the outside. We have Guided Missile, Pristine Water now to take second. Last 75 meters. And it's still Guided Missile followed by Pristine Water, and finally Guided Missile, Pristine Water, Mika Sprite, Rosig, Heart of
Guided Missile ang walang tumawid dito at kinapush yung Pristine Water dun no?
Still, dehado pa rin yung nasa segundo Pristine Water.
Oo.
Tapos Mika Sprite, dehado pa rin.
Dehado rin yun
And Rosig. At sa inyo pang pentapekta, papasok yung nalyamadong si